Hey guys, it is Thursday, March 10th, and I am about to leave for school now, and it's raining out, but on a day like today, I just don't want to go anywhere, but I have class at 12:30, or no, yeah, I have class at 12:30, it is a little past, it's like 9:20, and I'm gonna leave because parking's always a mess. So after class, the plan is we're all gonna go downtown, and by we I mean Trevor, Delray, and Aaron, and myself. We're all gonna go downtown to VizTech, which is a camera store, and take a look at their portfolio stuff, and then we are going to go to Ikea because we need to buy some frames for our gallery show. And Delray and Aaron haven't been to an Ikea either ever or in a very long time, so it'll be exciting. So that's why I wanted to vlog today. That's really it. I will probably vlog a little bit when I get to school. We'll see, because I'm gonna have a lot of time to kill when I get to school, so I will see you then. Hello, squad trip to VizTech and Ikea. Delray's driving. We're picking up Aaron and Trevor at the front. I'll talk to you later when the squad's all together. There's the squad. The two of four.
Did Trevor stop for a snack? What is that in his hand? Oh no, it's a
LOL. I'm creeping them. Oh, there's my squad there's my squad. Yes! Bitch! He's like, fuck you!
Hope he chokes on his cereal tomorrow.
Whoa,
I missed it.
Long snapshot!
Whoa!
I want your dogs. Started.
Give us middle finger. Yeah.
Get her attention, see what she does.
Hey.
Yeah. We're at Ikea.
Okay, so wait, this is
Ikea. We're doing
nice.
Ikea.
why are you front facing? Like, why not?
What? That win.
Look at this. They put a table on the wall.
Are you living?
I'm living, Maddie. Look at all the cool kitchens we're gonna see.
Oh my god. I want to buy everything. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, don't die.
Guys, wait, no, guys.
I love Ikea.
Anything though. Look at so bad.
Make that good coffee. You can get a tiny one for $6.99.
It's only $10.
$10.
Should I get a $10 French fries?
Yes.
Okay.
Why is that even a question?
No, I'm gonna call my mom. I'm like, Mom, for my birthday, I wanna go to Ikea.
Give me an Ikea gift card. Oh, ice cube molds. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, so I'm on my way home now. We went to Ikea last time I saw you. I literally just got back with everyone and now I'm heading home. It is like 6:15. Sorry, my iPod keeps falling and it's annoying. So we ended up buying some frames for the gallery show and that was pretty great. And we also looked, before Ikea we went to Tech downtown, and then we also went to Picto in the distillery district just to look and see what their portfolio books were like. And I don't know what to do. I really don't know. Picto's is really, really nice because they have flat lay books, but the minimum is 20 pages and we aren't going to be having 20 pages in our book. At the most we'll be having 10. So I don't really know what to do. I think I'm just going to look online for maybe some other places that might do photo books or portfolio books and take it from there because I just don't know what to do. So I'm just going to concentrate on driving and I will probably talk to you guys once I get home. Hello people, I'm with my brother Nat. He's holding the camera for me. I'm currently driving to Niagara Falls or somewhere, St. Catharines, to pick up our other brother because he's gonna come home for the weekend. And I forgot to end yesterday's vlog because I suck at vlogging, so I'm sorry. I will vlog once we're in St. Catharines and we picked up our brother, so yeah. Say hi in the vlog. Okay. Hey Nat.
What? Because it's way too much sugar.
That's disgusting.
Get it off.
You lick it.
Quit being a bitch. There you go. Singles! That's just like me. It's single.
Hello.
And wrapped in plastic. How would Randy sell that?
Hey, so I'm ending the vlog now. It is 9 o'clock. Ben's home now for the weekend just because he wanted to come home for the weekend. So yeah, I'm having friends come over tomorrow night, so I will try and vlog when they're here. And yeah, sorry my vlogs have been lacking. I'm trying my best. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!